IMFA, as a scientifically oriented management, its motto always has been to acquire resources from a local place, be it raw material, manpower, human resources, energy, and our job in IMFA is to multiply it through our knowledge, through our professional knowledge, and give it back to the society from which it has come.
I would like to congratulate all of you on the occasion of the 59th Foundation Day of IMFA. This has been a strange year in view of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, and like with many other aspects of our life which have gone virtual, this year our Foundation Day celebration too is being held virtually. Much as I would have liked to be with all of you, personally handing out the awards, shaking hands, patting you on your back, and thanking you for your commitment and dedication, unfortunately the time is not right for all of that. So here I am addressing you virtually. As I mentioned, this has been a difficult year in view of the pandemic, and I am grateful to all of you, my valued colleagues, for your dedication and your hard work in such difficult and uncertain circumstances, which has enabled us to keep working right through the lockdown period. Of course, the central and the state government have done their bit by valuing both saving lives as well as livelihoods, and we have operated by virtue of the exemption available to continuous process industries. But none of this would have been possible without the contribution of each and every one of you. I've always said, and every year I repeat it, that even though we are a natural resources driven company, our greatest asset is the people. All of you out there who give your best day in, day out, and more so during difficult circumstances. Having said that, I believe it is in our DNA that we come out stronger after a crisis, and I believe that is the case this time too. By being able to operate through the lockdown period, meeting all our commitments, I think we have really bolstered our reputation as being a reliable and not to mention competitive producer of ferroalloys. And our partners have been impressed with our ability to meet our commitments, whatever may be the circumstances. While some uncertainties still remain, these are vastly lower than what they were earlier. And even though there are risks of a second wave, but the mitigation measures by way of vaccines which have proven to be very successful at the trial stage gives us hope that life will come back to normalcy sooner rather than later. In the meantime, we have of course to keep on maintaining our focus and ensuring that we operate while meeting all COVID-19 guidelines and any advisories that are put out by relevant authorities. The ferrochrome industry went through a period of stress like it does every now and then. Last year was difficult on account of ongoing global trade wars and various other factors, but I'm glad that all of that is behind us now. And as economies around the world open up, I think we have a lot to look forward to, especially given our financial strength with very low long-term debt, very healthy financial ratios in a point of time where there is consolidation happening around us. I believe that we are very well positioned to capitalize on opportunities which come our way. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all those who are getting the long and dedicated service awards today, because you are an embodiment of what we look for in our team. Passion, dedication, commitment, despite any challenges which come our way. And for that, I am grateful. forward to traveling to all our sites soon and spending time with you, because that is what inspires me and motivates me every day to look at how we can do things better, more efficiently, and in a manner which truly delivers value to all our stakeholders, be it employees, customers, shareholders, lenders, or the communities around us. Meanwhile, take care, stay safe, and continue to give your best as you have all this while. Thank you.
On this momentous occasion of 59 Foundation Day, my fond remembrance and tribute to beloved founder chairman late Dr. Panda for his vision to contribute to Odisha and building this great organization IMFA. On this occasion, I would like to congratulate all 323 long and dedicated service award recipients across all the locations. Hope this award will inspire you as well as others to contribute more towards growth of the organization. My heartfelt thanks to everyone who has contributed to complete this award distribution and its coverage at all the locations by abiding all the COVID guidelines during this pandemic time. Thanks once again. Stay safe. Jai Jagannath.